Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the function behavior so keys act predictably. Open Settings, go to Device then Keyboard, and locate the top row options. Once there, switch the toggle to treat the top row as F1, F12 when you need standard function keys. Make sure to note the search key mapping. Change it to caps lock or another modifier if you prefer a physical alternative. These steps let you use shortcuts in apps and developer tools without extra extensions or external keyboards. Once done with settings, learn the temporary access method for quick use. Hold Alt and press the search launcher key to switch the top row to F keys for the current action. This avoids changing persistent settings. Use Shift, Ctrl, or Alt with those function keys for application-specific shortcuts like refreshing, debugging, or media control. Make sure to try it in a browser tab and a terminal to see differences. If you use an external keyboard, the Chromebook respects its built-in FN behavior too. To finish, customize and verify behavior so your workflow is stable. Use settings to remap keys or install a trusted extension for complex shortcuts. This lets apps receive correct F key codes. After making changes, restart your Chromebook to ensure the keyboard driver resets and avoid sticky mappings. If function keys still misbehave, update Chrome OS and test in guest mode to rule out profile conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot and test with an external keyboard to isolate hardware versus software problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.